In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Subscript and Superscript in Google Slides. Whether you're a student preparing a presentation or a professional working on an important project, knowing how to incorporate Subscript and Superscript into your slides can greatly enhance the clarity and professionalism of your work. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have access to Google Slides. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Slides homepage. If you're not already signed in, log into your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one to access Google Slides. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here, you'll have a couple of options. You can start a new presentation by clicking on the blank presentation option, or you can choose from a variety of templates that best suit your project needs. Select whichever option works for you. With your presentation open, it's time to add some text. Click on the slide where you want to add or modify content and select the text that you'd like to convert to either Subscript or Superscript. It's important to note that only the highlighted part of the text can be modified this way. Next, look towards the top of your Google Slides interface and click on the Format menu. This menu contains various formatting options that you can use to enhance your text. Within the Format menu, focus on the Text submenu, which is where you'll find the tools to modify your selected text. Click on the submenu to reveal further options. Within this submenu, you'll see both Superscript and Subscript options. If you're not familiar with these terms, Superscript is used when writing indices or chemical formulas. Think H2O or E equals MC squared, where the numbers are the superscripts. Subscript, on the other hand, is commonly used in scenarios like mathematical formulas or specific types of chemical notations. Click either Superscript or Subscript based on your needs. There you have it. The selected text should now be formatted as either Subscript or Superscript depending on your choice. With this feature, your presentations can be more expressive and accurate, especially when scientific or mathematical data is involved. Thanks for joining me in today's video. Now that you know how to add Subscript and Superscript in Google Slides, you can make your presentations not only more informative, but also visually engaging. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful and consider subscribing for more useful Google Slides tricks. See you next time.